I'm sat here in front of the Robin Hood statue, the quite iconic figure indeed of Nottingham. For many he represents a figurehead of freedom, whether you choose to believe he had something to do with the Magna Carta or not, which he really didn't. But of course he does stand as a symbol of hope, and of course fight against the powers above. But I don't want to talk about saying powers above right now, and the frustration it is for the man down below. Okay, so I've got to obtain some documents from my solicitor to defend myself in some accusations that have been levelled to me. A case that was like over 10 years old, in fact 15 years old. So I've gone to my solicitor, and I found the solicitor is no longer practicing, the office is closed. So I've since tried to find out where my documents are, which I need to obtain to verify what it is that happened so long ago. So my solicitors they were sold. They were acquired actually by administration by Challinor solicitors quite some time ago. My solicitor's website is down, and of course there is a reference to go to Challinor's website from there. Challinor's, however, according to the documentation I found, actually also went into administration in 2013, in the 21st of August there, and it went through to a company. So bear in mind, there's documents that are mine located at solicitors. The solicitors is now gone. A larger solicitor bought them out. That larger solicitor also then went into administration. So you can imagine how much levels there is to this. That was then sold to, let's bring it here. So Challinor was sold to Baker Tilly Business Services, who then also was changed its name to Baker Tilly UK, both of which actually have an office here in Nottingham, and neither of which are able to deal with my inquiry, due to the fact that they also have then sold all the cases of Challinor and earlier to another third-party company called Quantuma, who now says that due to the sheer amount of backlog and documents there are, in fact the lady I spoke to, the receptionist, says that all the staff are generally on training due to the fact that they will need to do so. Now, whether this is considered a new company, I don't know. I don't know anything about Quantuma. But she says the potentially the case could take us years just to get through the paperwork, let alone transfer it to their system present, let alone transfer it to their systems what may be in the future. So it may be, in fact, years before I manage to get hold of a document that I kind of need right now. The hypocrisy of this system is just... I don't know. I don't know how we have a functioning system. But the truth is we don't. We are clearly in a state of buying each other out and buying each other's data, and buying each other's information and debts that we never ever get on top of anything. And when the small man like me, or anyone else there is trying to get hold of documents information to try and defend himself for whatever reason, we kind of, we're stuck. Generally stuck. Anyway, Christian Leonard, signing off.